Do you know the benefits of honey? Honey is very much beneficial to us. So early in the morning when you wake up, you can have 1 glass of lukewarm water with 1 teaspoon of honey and half a lemon juice in it. This will help you in metabolism. It will reduce your weight as well as solve all your digestion problems. But this must be consumed empty stomach early in the morning, and after that half an hour you shouldn't consume anything. My next remedy is, if you're having mouth ulcers, you can just apply honey over there and let the saliva trickle for 5 minutes and you'll be relieved of honey. If you're having any sore throat problem, you can do honey gargles also. My next tip is, supposing you're having a lot of cold, cough and fever, you can have 1 teaspoon of honey with some ginger juice and turmeric powder in it, or you can have fresh turmeric also juice in it, and you can consume it 4 to 5 times in a day. My next remedy is, supposing you get any kind of cuts or wounds or scratches, you can just apply honey and it will be cured very fast. It's good. It's a very good moisturizer as well as on antioxidant and antibacterial properties also. It prevents, if you consume it for a longer time, it prevents cancer also. It is very good for your eyesight, eye vision. It's very good. It prevents cataract also if you consume for a longer time. Now, if you want your glow on your skin, or if you're having any anti-aging issues, what you can do is 1 teaspoon of thick curds with 1 teaspoon of honey. Just mix it and apply on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Splash it with water and let it remain overnight. And next day morning, you'll find your skin glowing. But if you have some tanning issues, you can add some lemon drops juice also in it. My next remedy is, if you have any hair problem or baldness, or your roots are not that strong, what you can do is you can mix olive oil. So the proportion must be like, if you're having 3 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 to 3 teaspoon of olive oil, you can put 1 to 1/4 teaspoon of honey in it and apply on your hairs and keep them for 45 minutes, and then you can wash them. This will not only moisturize your skin, prevent hair loss, but it will, wherever you have bald patches, hair will start growing on it, over it, and your skin will be hairs will be very lustrous, as well as it will make your roots strong. Thank you.